Hey, you know that dollar in your wallet that is just crumbled up and all folded? Did you know that the technical term for that is fiat? And no, I'm not talking about the car. Fiat currency is a government-issued currency that is not backed by a physical commodity, such as gold or silver, but rather by the government that issued it. Here you go, we promise it's worth something. Right. In fact, up until 1971, the United States dollar was run off of the gold standard, where $1 was equal to 1/500th of an ounce of gold. And go check out my videos on my YouTube channel where I dive in more about the gold standard. The country that the fiat currency is released in declares it is legal tender and it can be used for any and all purchases inside of that country. But what about fiat now? Currently, it is derived from the relationship between supply and demand and the stability of the issuing government rather than the worth of a commodity that is backing it. Because let's be real, nothing backs it. Most modern paper currencies are fiat currencies, including the US dollar, the euro, and many, many more. But we are seeing the transition to digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Like and subscribe, and an African prince will airdrop you 1 BTC.